Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these solar hanging lights that I got recently on Amazon. We have a gazebo outside and we've been thinking about adding some lights to it to make it more brighter. And I was doing a little bit of research and I came across these two little guys right here. We decided to use solar lights because it's a lot easier to place these anywhere you want. And also we live in a very sunny area, so I know they're gonna be getting plenty of light. So this is how big the solar panels are. When I compare these to other solar lights we have in the backyard, the size seems to be pretty standard, so I know they're gonna be holding a lot of energy in them. You can easily detach this part right here, the top, and on the bottom you have the option to turn on or off. So when you turn it on, once it gets dark outside, the lights will automatically turn on. One thing I'd like to mention, I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger. I don't really have big hands, and you can kind of compare it to my hands. They are not super big, which is not a problem. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but I don't know, I like the design. I think this is very well made. This is the little chain right here for you to hang. Overall, I think this is a very good product. So I'm gonna put this outside, wait for it to get dark, and I'm gonna show you these during the night. All right, so it's finally dark and I can actually show you how bright these are. I feel like it has a perfect amount of light, not super bright but also not super dark. It looks a little bit whiter in the picture, but it's not white. It has this like warm tone. It's not as white as it shows in the video. I also like the details of the lights because of the metal shape right here. I love these. I think they are actually worth the price, and it looks really nice too.